as I was saying that I want to speak, maybe try to speak all the languages in this vlog. So next I'll just try to speak in my language which I am like so familiar, like Tamil. So yeah, Tamil பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ இந்த ஏரியா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. என்னன்னா நான் இந்த ஏரியா வந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் என் வீட்டிலேருந்து என்ன ஒரு 10-15 நிமிஷம் அவ்வளோதான் ஆகும். பட் இட் ரியலி ஐ மீன் ஒரு என்ன வீக்கெண்டு யாரும் இல்லை பக்கத்தில். ஸோ நம்ம சும்மா ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு பேகு வித் வாட்டர் எல்லாம் அப்படியே மாட்டிக்கிட்டு அப்படியே வரலாம். ஜாலியாக அப்படியே ஒரு மேபி 3 to 4 hours ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணலாம் இந்த ஏரியாவில். ஏன்னா வந்து நான் இருக்கிற இடம் வந்து இட்ஸ் லைக் ஆளுங்கள ரொம்ப கம்மி. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஹூ ஆர் இன் சிட்டி, ஐ மீன் இட்ஸ் crowded with people in Barcelona. பட் இங்கே வந்து யாருமே இல்லை. பட் பாருங்கள், ஃபுல்லாக வந்து இட்ஸ் க்ரீன் எவ்ரிவேர், ரைட்? ஸோ ரொம்ப நல்லாயிருக்கு. அடுத்து வந்து நான் മലയാളത്തിൽ பேசலான்னு இருக்கேன். മലയാളം പിന്നെ എന്ത് സംസാരിക്കാൻ മലയാളത്തിൽ അങ്ങനെ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു അറ്റംപ്റ്റാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു എല്ലാ ലാംഗ്വേജും സംസാരിക്കാൻ ഒരു വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്യാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരു ജസ്റ്റ് അറ്റംപ്റ്റാണ്. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ വീഡിയോനെ ഒരു ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ എൻ്റെ ചാനലിൽ. So we probably would be going over there, somewhere there, yeah. So let us keep walking this way. So I think there might be like a small stream of water that we are going to cross. So I really love this place because it's just a contrast of the place where I live, and you can see, I mean, it's so green. I mean, it's so green around the whole around. Yeah, I mean, the people who live in the main city of Barcelona, I mean, they couldn't get this sort of view. So maybe like I would say I'm kind of lucky to like live in this so peaceful place. But the main thing is like usually the old people or like the old couples, I mean the people who are like 60 plus, they prefer to like live in this place, or like the family with kids or something. So they just try to live here. And most of the youth population, I mean, they live in the city. So yeah, so basically yeah, I am a youth, but like people would just make fun of me that I live so far from the city. Yeah, so we're gonna cross the stream. Yeah, it's basically a small, yeah, I mean, it's not that clean or something, but yeah, that's me. Oh, I was about to fall. So let's just proceed to go up, further up. It's so sunny. Yeah, I mean, you can see that there are no people around. Maybe now I just try to speak Telugu. And అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇది ఒక వ్లాగ్ టైప్ వీడియో. నా తెలుగు అంత బాగాలేదు, బట్ జస్ట్ ఒక ట్రై అంతే. నాకు చాలా తెలుగు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఆల్మోస్ట్ నేను సియానాలో ఇటలీలో మాస్టర్స్ చేసా. ఆ టైంలో కొంచెం తెలుగు నేర్చుకున్నా. ప్లస్ నా స్కూల్ అంతే, స్కూల్ లైఫ్ ఒక 4 years హైదరాబాద్లో నేను చేసినాను. థింక్ ఐ మీన్ ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు తెలుసు నా తెలుగు, ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ సో బ్యాడ్, బట్ ఒక ట్రై అంతే. బికాస్ వీడియో బిగినింగ్లో నేను ఒక మాట చెప్తే that నేను 8 languagesలో I'll try to speak, right? So I'm just trying my best. అంతే తెలుగు అంతే, అంతా ఒక ఫ్లో లేదు. బట్ నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ పాపులర్ తెలుగు మూవీస్ నేను చూద్దాం. I'll say it, I don't know how to say in Telugu. Yeah, not just getting that, yeah, the flow అంతే. yeah, ఇది ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్లేస్ అండి. ఇట్స్ లైక్ రియలీ గుడ్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ టెంపరేచర్ మైట్ బి లైక్ ఒక 18 or like I think 17 ఇప్పుడు. Yeah, so almost like a month ago it was so cold and you would actually need a thick jacket for that. But now it's fine. I mean, it's really cool because I just have you can see like a hoodie now. Yeah, it's sunny. So yeah. So next language, maybe I'll just try to speak in maybe Hindi. So yeah, we're going. अभी हम लोग शायद हो एक आधा घंटा होगा घर से. तो अभी यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ कोई नहीं है अभी, तो पूरा ग्रीन ही है. तो मैं क्या बोल सकते हिंदी में. तो मेरा पढ़ाई क्या बोलते हैं 1 से 5 तक मेरा क्या बोलते हैं मीडियम ऑफ लैंग्वेज हिंदी था. जब मेरा स्कूलिंग किया हैदराबाद में तो पूरा जो क्या बोलते हैं सोशल साइंस और क्या है लाइक साइंस है, हिस्ट्री है, पूरा है जो पूरा जब लाइक नॉर्मल स्कूल में ही हिंदी में इंग्लिश में करते हैं ना. तो मगर मैं पूरा हिंदी मीडियम में किया. शायद 4 साल था कि इवन लाइक मैथमेटिक्स साइंस पूरा अभी हिंदी में पढ़ना था. आगे मगर क्या अभी फ्लो नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं उतना यूज़ नहीं हो रहा है हिंदी. तो कभी अभी नॉर्थ इंडियन से कोई फ्रेंड्स है तो बात करता हूँ, बस उतना ही. तो यूसेज कम है. तो काली के मैं मेरा पेरेंट्स से मैं तमिल और मलयालम बोलता हूँ और हाँ बस उतना ही भाई. तो यही मेरा हिंदी है. एंड अभी आप देख लो कैसे है ये जगह. तो हम लोग we just climbing a little bit more. Yeah. So this is like my second vlog. So you can see, I mean, I guess we, came from that place, walked from on this road and a big turn, and from there there's actually a stream going like over here. We just crossed that and just walking over here. And it's like, again, it's so green over here. So basically it's like a small village. Yeah. So, and yeah, I mean, we are just going with the flow. So let's just go again. Really a good climate, I mean, for a proper evening walk. Like a nature of this kind, right? Yeah, I'm not like that professional in doing vlog, but I'm just trying, like, I just try to improve every time I do a vlog or something. So kindly appreciate my videos by giving a like and do subscribe to my channel. So just comment if you really like to see this kind of videos in the future or something like that. So maybe like if I travel around, I just try to make some vlog of this kind. But basically right now I'm not traveling anywhere because of this COVID in Spain. There is like a lot of restrictions around, and probably from next week there is like a lockdown in Italy, since cases are like spreading up so rapidly. And from Monday they're going to close the whole country of Italy. So friends in Italy, please stay safe. And luckily that in Spain the number of cases per day has been reduced a lot because of the COVID restrictions, that we actually have a night lockdown from I guess 10 to 6 a.m. So maybe because of all this tight restrictions we actually are under control. So 5,000 cases per day, it's really good. I mean currently I guess it's a third wave going on. So you can see, over there, I don't know if you can see the mountain. Just try to zoom. That's a place called Tibidabo. That's like you can see there's a huge statue of Jesus over there. It's almost like Rio in Brazil. So you know the place, I mean, there's a mountain over here. I live in this mountain somewhere. So we walked from the hole from there and over there and over there, and we just came from this. Yeah, you can see when it's so green around. You can see like a beautiful landscape, right? Green and blue, the sky is contrast, and yeah, you can see people have started to come for their evening walk with dogs. So again, my face is still like you can see over there. I'm just not wearing my mask because there are not people around. It's a very huge open area which you can see. So right now I just see people giving their poses for their shots, like camera shots. So, yeah, just go around.
Buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day. Flying high like the birds and the bees, and we're feeling alive while we float with the breeze. 'Cause we're buzzing, and we're humming, and we're loving all day.
Sì, però io parlo italiano, solo che ho fatto mi corso in Italia, è come un paese, una bella. Ho fatto mi magistrale in una piccola città, si chiama Siena, è vicino Firenze. È una regione di Toscana. E Toscana è veramente un posto molto bello, però non lo so, io sempre che mi piace Italia di Spagna, non lo so perché il cibo è muy interesante, es molto interessante, anche es molto delicioso, como en italiano, es como en italiano, es como es very delicious. Sì, es posible che io non ricordare italiano perché io adesso usando tanto di spagnolo, è molto di confusione fra lingue, perché ogni tempo io anche non ricordare lingua come Tamil o Malayalam, in inglese non ricordare le parole per usare. Sì, in italiano è questo, sì.